Hey everyone, if you're looking for a super fuel efficient vehicle, then check out this 2015 Chevy Sonic. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. You have your projector beam headlamps and your grille with some chrome outlining and your Chevy badge in the middle. This has a 1.8 liter engine, which can get you about 35 miles to the gallon on the highway, so that's incredible. Then looking at your wheels, those are 16-inch wheels. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats with that pattern insert in the middle. You do have a armrest for your driver's side because it's a captain chair. And looking at your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth streaming and your media buttons right there on the front. Then looking over at your media center, you have that LCD display. All of your preset options are there, all of your hands-free voice communication stuff, and then your climate controls are down below that. This is a manual, so you can take full control of this vehicle. You have a 12-volt there, traction control, power trunk, and then 2 cup holders. And then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You do have the ability to fold these seats down to give you access into your trunk or to give you more space if you have something that doesn't quite fit in your trunk. Then making your way around the side, you have your tail lamps and your Sonic badging. And let's take a look into the trunk. So, enormous trunk, lots of space for a car this size, so you can fit all of your groceries and your luggage and everything just really inside of this trunk. So, overall, great vehicle if you're looking for something with that full control, that manual, also that great fuel efficiency. Check this out on our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.